So I'm really passionate about, what I wear and also what I like as well in terms of trends and so on. But I'm also very aware of my own kind of personal life, but also as an academic, there's kind of detrimental costs to the environment. And particularly if we look at the news right now about climate change and also how we kind of buy and be more conscious, this has made me think a lot more in terms about my own kind of research and also personal life about fashion, sustainable practices, but also how we can even understand how we can encourage consumers to be more circular in their behaviours. But fast fashion is really negative on the environment because of the garments that are being made, for instance, are made from synthetics and polyesters, but also with fast fashion as well. It means that we're spending a lot of our money on garments that are really not lasting long. So this again is not great because we're buying something, wearing it once, it's ending up in landfill, and we have to keep spending money. But what you can also do, other than just educating yourself, is just to look around in your high streets and also on apps and technology. So lots of other kind of ways, other than just buying through, say, from fast fashion brands such as Primark and H&M, but also charity shops, Vinted, Depop and even eBay are giving that pre-loved item another life.